Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to deactivate Facebook. So I'm provide full guide. So at first open your Facebook. This method will work any Android and iOS device. As you can see, showing you to setting icon or click on settings and privacy. Then you get settings. Okay, alright. So you just press on see more in account center. As you can see, showing it to personal details. Click on and showing your account ownership and control. Press on, showing it to two different way. I'm just select deactivate or deletion. Press on, select your account, showing it to two different way. Select any on, like I'm select deactivate option. Click on to continue. Okay, click on continue and you just enter the password. Click on to continue. Okay, and you just select any region. So like I'm select this option. This is temporary. I will be back. I don't feel safe on Facebook, and you just select any on, like I'm select this option. Okay, click on continue and overall select or select any date. Press on done and finally press on continue. And finally press on deactivate my account, then successfully deactivate your Facebook.